Hi everyone, I'm Sonakshi Hajra. Firstly, I'm extremely thankful to all my teachers, UT staffs, my family, and my friends who have been through my entire journey, always encouraging me to do better and give my best. Advice to my juniors would be to never compare yourself with others and think that the only competition of you is you yourself. Always try to give your best, be it UT tests or your school exams. And personally, what I did not really study for 6 to 8 hours, but I did study 2 hours daily with full concentration. So, other than that, the test series and all those tests and MEPS sessions were extremely helpful for me. The chapter tests gave me a thorough understanding of the chapters, and mock tests give the very best way to make you understand the board patterns. MEPS session a must, and do not miss those sessions because it helped me score 100 in maths. So that's all, and UT definitely helped me a lot.